Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Richard from Sweden and welcome back to a brand new episode. And as you can see guys, by the title, today I'll be going through the 5 top essential pieces or items that you should wear for summer 19. If you're new to the channel guys, do not forget to subscribe button down below because that gives me a positive feedback that you guys are really into my channel and you're really into my items, or not items but my content basically. As I just mentioned for you guys, today I'll be going through the items but me personally I do think is essential for summer 19 or just summer in general. So I do have 5 pieces / 5 items that I'll be showcasing for you guys, and I hope you guys like it because this is something I do truly keep near to my heart when it comes to summer. So I hope you guys like it. Now the first piece that I truly believe is something that you need for summer is actually a pair of, you guessed it right guys, sunglasses. Now sunglasses is something that you can chuck on regardless what you're wearing. If you're in summer, winter, autumn, I do not care. For me personally, these are actually my to-go sunglasses. These are actually from the Swedish brand called I, which is basically AI, but also stands for I as in, you know, I. And these actually do retail for, I would say, $60 or $70 somewhere there. And these ones are a bit more expensive. They actually do go for, I would say, $400, and it's actually from the Swedish brand called Oscar Magnusson. So these are actually too expensive if you ask me, but they are like, the material on these glasses are sick. You can actually like feel how the material, and they are actually believe they are actually made in Italy. So shout out to the PR agency that actually hooked me up with these ones. Sunglasses is something that you should consider wearing during the summer. Me personally, I just hate like having eye contact with people on the in the morning. Sunglasses is something I chuck on like in the morning just to, you know, skip this eye contact, like this annoying eye contact with people you don't even know, or people that you do know but you don't want to talk to them basically. But anyway, sunglasses is something that I do recommend, so check out your local stores. Sunglasses is a must-have for summer. And on the list we do have shirts. Of course, shirts is something that you do need. So actually just before recording I was actually thinking about showing you one shirt, but just going through my shirts, you know, I just realized that I do have different kind of shirts, so I just wanted to showcase to you guys what kind of shirt I'll be styling / wearing for summer 19. So let's go into the first shirt, and the first shirt is actually from the Korean brand called Kruffen. Now the main reason I do wanted to have this shirt in this list is basically because of the print. I actually had this shirt when I was in Spain last year, and like a random older guy just came up to me and asked me for a picture. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Picasso is from Spain, so I don't know if he wanted to take a picture because of I had a shirt with a Picasso painting on it, or he just thought that was wavy. I'm not sure. But anyways, the main reason I do have it is because it is very oversized and it doesn't have like a sizing tag, but if I would guess, I would say it is like a double XL. I mean a double XL. Yeah, double XL. Oh yeah, I would say it's double XL. Since it is oversized, it's kind of perfect because it is not so fitted and it's a bit more breathable for summer. And yeah, I really do like it. It is kind of cool, and as I said, it is really cool with the painting on the right side of the shirt. Really cool piece. This is something I would consider you guys wearing, not exactly this one, but white shirts in general, perfect for the summer, breathable as well, and when it's hot outside, white is something that you should have in your wardrobe. And the next shirt we do have, it is from the Swedish brand, sorry, it's actually from the Korean brand called Jeune Homme. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right guys. So this shirt was actually something they sent to me The tag or the size tag does say L, like large, but it does fit me like a medium. It's a cool piece. I haven't worn it that much. If you guys are really interested, just let me know. I'll just maybe send it to a random subscriber or something. But yeah, short sleeve shirt from the brand called Jeune Homme. And the next piece we do have on the list, guys, is actually a pair of ripped pants. Why I do have a pair of ripped pants on this list is basically because of when it's hot outside, I promise you that you will love and also appreciate if you have a pair of pants that are a bit more breathable. So if you have a pair of pants that has holes in it, holes, that sounded kind of mad, but anyways, if you have a pair of skinny jeans that has holes in it, they'll be a bit more breathable, also a bit more fashionable, and also a bit more summery. Yeah, I don't know if that's even a word. So check out Grail, even like Facebook groups nearby you, and see if you can find like high-end pieces for cheaper bucks. I'd rather pay pre-owned pair for 160 than going for a whole new pair for like 600, maybe 700. So going into the next piece, guys, we do have scarves. Now scarves is actually something I would consider wearing on, like, even though it's winter, autumn, I do not care, because it does elevate your style kind of easily. You don't need to be fashionable from top to bottom. Like, scarf can do the talking for you. So the main reason I do have the scarves is because of it puts a bit more attitude into your outfit, even into your daily style. So when it comes to scarves, I would consider you guys to actually invest in a pair, because this one, the orange one, is actually from the Swedish brand called Hope. I bought it for like 100 crowns, which is like $10 or something, and these two are actually from H&M, and both of them, I think I bought each of them for like $8 or $9, like really cheap. So if you guys are really into scarves, check your local stores, even like H&M, ASOS as well do have, and if you're a bit more premium, check out silk scarves. And the last item on this list is actually accessories. Now accessories for me is everything from rings to necklaces to even bags. I don't know if I would consider a bag as an accessory, but it depends on who you ask. So if you ask me, this is something I really do recommend. So me personally, I do love silver because silver stands out way more better than gold on my darker skin. So silver is something you guys should it actually depends on what kind of skin tone you have, but personally, if you have a darker skin tone like me, I would say silver is something that you should go with. And also, the last accessory that I'll be showing you is, as I said, bags. So bags is something, well, this is actually more like a clutch, but doesn't really matter. But yeah, this is actually a bag that I got from a very close friend of mine, and a clutch, so you can wear it like this, how fashionable if you ever want to wear it, and it does really help with the outfit as well. So if you guys are really into like being a bit more fashionable, or just having something just to go with on a day-to-day basis to go through. So I think I just ran through everything that I need to go through, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. This is actually a new setup. As you can see, I actually moved with my brother to a new apartment, so we just left the nest like a couple months ago, 2 to 3 months ago. So that's also like the main reason I haven't been doing YouTube on a regular basis. But yeah, I hope you guys like the setup, and yeah, this is my room. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So take care. I'll see you guys in a couple days, or maybe even a week or so. So peace out. I'm signing out, and I'm saying peace.